Tá gostoso? Lenny, she doesn't want to let go of the banana. She's eating alone. Let on papaya, right? Show me, call her, Lenny.
Antonella. Antonella, cookie.
Yummy.
Anyway, I'm cooking right now. This is
I think she has too much banana in her mouth.
banana.
Look at me.
She loves banana.
Lenny.
Boy, that's a nice recording you got there. Who made